Today, Captain Auto is on a remote repair. I just pulled the string. Never worked on a lawnmower. Just take this cover off. Don't look like much is holding on. Oh, okay. Get this sucker off. Easy to remove. I like that. Okay. What's in here? Put that on. It's just gotta do that. That's where it comes out of. And it goes in there. So I may need some tools. Yeah, little ones. All right, I made a decision. I came to mow the yard, not work on stuff. So we're gonna switch over to the backup. All right, let's see what condition this condition is in. Got oil. We got a winner. Let's see if we got gas, like that gas cap. Modern art. And yeah, it's dry. I just filled that one up. Ain't that how it goes? I got my gas can from last year still. Tell you about bad gas. Ain't no such thing. Alright, let's fill this up. I need two hands. Alright, got some gas in it. First crank. Spark plugs connected. Move these springs a little bit. Sure they do something. Here's the muffler. It's restricting flow. Come on. All right, update on the yard. It's going, so we can we're gonna probably just get that one towed to the shop. Hopefully we can get it back by next season. But keep riding along. So we've had this tree limb hanging down, just about touching the ground for a while. Been meaning to cut it, but extension cord has been at the shop, and I'm not climbing up there with the chainsaw. There we go. Not bad. Just remember, folks, you can do it. If your mower breaks down, you can find another mower and you can still do it.